Hi, my name is Cody Holmes, and I will be discussing my first technology. This is a great one. It's called Dreamscape, and my fourth graders love to play it. Let me tell you some more about it. So, Dreamscape, what is its purpose and objectives? Well, it's to engage students in reading, and by doing this, it can improve their reading comprehension, and students get great practice answering technology-enhanced questions just like they'd see on state assessments. Of course, the targeted audience would be students, but it provides great data for teachers also. Parents do have the option to buy a membership if they so please, but they do not have to. It can be completely free. Some standards that go with Dreamscape are E.3b and E.5a, and I will give you some time to look over these. Alright, I'm now going to show you what Dreamscape looks like on the teacher side of things. So, this is my dashboard, Mr. Holmes's Dreamscape, and I'm able to see a lot of student data from this. I can see all of my students, and I can see which ones have started playing the game, which ones have not, what their percentage correct overall is, and other things, how long they've been playing. It can give me a whole class overview of how many questions they've answered, what's the average percentage that they've gotten correct, and how many actual passages that they've read. Down at the bottom in green, it can tell me their top struggling skills, the top 5 struggling players, and then the skills that are practiced most often. Dreamscape is a great tool for differentiating because if students continually do poorly answering questions, it will drop them to a lower level to match their needs. But if they continue to do very well on the questions, it will bump them up to harder questions. So their player reading levels might go up or down depending on how they do. Okay, I'm now going to show you what it looks like on the student side. Okay, so this would be a sample student and what their dreamscape or their home would look like. The kids tell me that this game is sort of like Clash of Clans, and that you can build up your home, and then you can go and battle other people's homes and destroy them, and they think it's very cool and very fun. Anyways, the main purpose of Dreamscape, as I said, is to practice reading skills. But this looks like just a bunch of fun. You can add in decorative things, you can buy things, you can grow your little people, you can change up your avatar. But what's great as a teacher's point of view is that to do all of these things, students have to answer questions. And what do answering questions have to do for students? Well, once you answer a question and you get it right, it moves time. And time is the big thing to be able to do all of the different things in this game. So let's see what a practice question would be. So here's a short passage, and they would read it. They'd go to their question. If they answer it correctly, it will move time. And then they can go back and do different things. They could battle other people. They could shop for different things to build their homes. But it's pretty cool. The students really love it. And as a teacher, I love that they're practicing reading skills and they think it's something fun when really it is, and they get to practice those skills. I want to thank you for listening to my first technology on Dreamscape.